December 31st, end of 2024. Last cold plunge of the year. The water is 48 Fahrenheit, 8 Celsius. I've been doing cold plunges since August. Took a little break, a month or 2 months break because of technical issues with my plunge. I got back to it and I've been doing it every single day since I got back to it a few weeks ago. I've done colder, I've done warmer plunges. Today is a colder one, but not the coldest. I'm thinking to go 3 minutes. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Good, how you doing?
I'm so sleepy.
God, join me for a cold plunge.
Not a morning person. That's crazy. Cold plunges, man. I've done one of those before. It felt really good though.
Very cold. But it's good for you.
I know.
I love it. It's been my morning routine since the summer.
Real?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. I heard it's really good.
Yeah.
I have the balls for it.
It's really nice. Right now it's 48. It's not the coldest.
Yeah.
Sometimes I go under 40, like 36, 34.
Yeah.
That's like almost freezing water.
Yeah.
And I have a freezer. A lot of the times I put ice in it.
Yeah.
But with a chiller, I don't need it.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's cool, man. Well, enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you. You too. Happy New Year.
Yeah, happy New Year.
Always my feet gets the coldest. It's so weird. What is it? The 2 minutes mark. That's 1 hour minute. I don't want to overdo it. Three and a half minutes, right? Oh, 2.5 minutes. Yeah, 2.5. Super nice. This is a good temperature too. It's a lot colder than yesterday, but it's still not super cold. I'm freezing cold, but I'm freezing. It's cold, but it's not the coldest I've done. All right, about 35 more seconds. Yeah, it's 49. I warmed it up a little bit. It's 9.5 Celsius. I don't know if you can see. It's cold. All right, 5 more seconds. That's a 4 minutes plunge. Happy New Year. That's a good way to end the year. Oh, I forgot to put my towel. Alright people, thank you for joining me for this plunge. Happy New Year to everyone. I wish you all the health, money and happiness for 2025. If you get to end of this video, please don't forget to like, share, and if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe. Happy New Year. Bye bye.